Hello friends and welcome to another lecture of Leo English Hub, and in the series of passive tenses we are going to learn simple future tense in today's lecture. Before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that I get supported and you also don't miss any important update. Those who are new to our channel, I would request them to start learning from the very first lecture so that they can understand all the things easily in a step-by-step manner. So let's come back to our lecture today, and simple future tenses, positive and negative formula are there on your screen at the moment. Positive is object plus will plus be plus past participle form of the verb, that is verb 3 we call it. Negative, object plus will plus not plus be plus past participle. So verb 3 means the past participle form of the verb. And if somebody wants to refer to all the active tenses again, then they can start learning from the lecture number 12 in our playlist section. So don't skip today's video. We are going to give you 10 important sentences. Those are cohesive and correlated between each other, and you can understand all the things very well, and you would also be able to practice such sentences. So first sentence on your screen: we will be given a vacation in the summer. We will not be given a vacation in the summer, in the monsoon. So I changed the season so that the meaning of positive does not change. And here in passive sentences there won't be any subject primarily, and we need to find out, we need to use object initially in the sentence. So we is subject, the activity is performed on us, that's why we, the sentence begins with we, or the subject or the object. We will be given a vacation in the summer. We will not be given a vacation in the monsoon. Second sentence, again I myself is an object, and that's why the sentence begins with I, because the activity of being sent is performed on me. So I will be sent to mama's home in the vacation. Mama is means maternal uncle. I will not be sent to school in vacation. So in vacations we are not sent to school anymore. So here we have positive, negatives, both sentences clubbed in such a way that it becomes effective and natural English communication. And normally in our local languages as well, we communicate like this, clubbing positive and negative sentences. So this way it is really very easy, and it's not a rocket science. You can all apply this, you can all practice like this, making sentences cohesively. Third sentence on your screen: new games will be learned in the summer vacation. So here we are talking about summer vacation, and new games are the object, and that's why the sentence has begun with new games and being learned. New games will be learned in the summer vacation. Old games won't be, will not, abbreviated form is won't be. So old games won't be ignored in the summer vacation. Fourth sentence: new friends will be made while playing. Old friends won't be forgotten while playing. So positive, negative sentences are clubbed in such a way that it becomes a natural way of communication in English. Also, new places will be visited. New movies will not be watched, right? So we will be utilizing our vacation time, and not too many movies will be watched, right? A lot of mangoes will be eaten. Mango is very favorite in this part of the continent in India. A lot of mangoes will be eaten in the summer season. A lot of ice creams will not be consumed in the season. So ice cream is not that much good. Mangoes are natural to eat, and therefore a lot of mangoes will be eaten, whereas ice cream won't be eaten too much in this season. Seventh, we will be asked to not go out at the noon because it is too much hot. We will not be asked to not rest at the noon. If we get tired, if we have got bored after doing all the curricular activities, we won't be asked to not rest. So this is really it is important to go through all these kind of sentences. Papad and wafers are things to eat in this part of the world. Papad and wafers will be made at home in the vacation. Papad and wafers will not be bought from the market. if I'm going quickly ahead, guys, you can pause the video and write down all these things. You can note them down and you can make many more such sentences in your notebooks. Watermelons will be eaten to keep the body cool. Junk food will not be eaten to keep the body healthy. So watermelons are good to keep our body hydrated and healthy, whereas junk food is not that much good. 10th sentence, we will be made to prepare for the new grade. So it won't be 100% enjoyment of 10-15% of the time of the vacation would be utilized to prepare for the next grade. We will not be made to study much in the vacation, though we are not going to study much, but we will be made to prepare at least for some time for the next grade, for the next semester to come. So guys, you can practice more and more sentences like this. You can club the positive negatives as well. I hope you would have liked today's lecture, so don't forget to like our lecture and subscribe our channel and share it to your friends and family, so that they have an opportunity to learn effective English communication step by steps in such an easy manner. Thank you guys very much for joining us today. We will see you in next lecture with more fruitful information like this. Thank you very much.